that I met Honorable Jolly Mujisha, I knew that I had met a honorable person. Nkachimanya ngu na mitinga omkazi emanzi. If it was back in the days, like when I met Babi, I would term it as love at first sight. Mama Jolly was introduced to me by a comrade called Ronnie Nabasa. He used to be our coordinator in Western Uganda. Unfortunately, like many people, when they join us, that is when the regime sees importance in them. And so they reached out to Ronnie and bought him out. But Mama Jolly never sold us. Unfortunately, our brother Ronnie, we lost him in an accident that up to now we don't understand. But that day, when I met Jolly, it's still stuck in my mind. Abokuba tukashitamo meeting, tukaganira ebintu bingi mnonga. Meeting okuyahwire, nkaita Comrade Lewis. Meeting ejo tukaba abantu bashatu, nyowe, Jolly Mujisha na David Lewis Bongoya. Meeting okuyahwire, nkaita omushaija Lewis. Kamugirango nomanyangu twatunga Deputy President wa West. Lewis nangamba bozungo twala speed. Amangu ago zine mukamazi. Katonda chingambi. Atenga nali mutufu. Because since we met Mama Jolly to today, she has been going from good to better. She started off as if she was born for that role. She opened up Western Uganda to us. She introduced us to so many people. But most importantly, she gave us a face. We were this, a narrative that was painted about us as young rascals, abayai, hooligans. But working with the honorable person like Jolly Mujisha changed our face. People welcomed us, but most importantly, she welcomed us. She taught us. She became not just a comrade, but a mother. And here, ladies and gentlemen, like many of my comrades have said it, we are not only saying goodbye to a comrade. We are not only saying off our Deputy President. We are saying goodbye to our mother. Dear Mama, thank you. All along, I've met people thanking us, especially me. Thank you for embracing Jolly. Thank you for giving her a chance. And Mama, I don't understand them because it is you we should be thanking. It is you. In my view, the only thing that you got from working with us is satisfaction. Satisfaction of doing what you love. Otherwise, everything else was a loss to you. The humiliation, the challenges you went through, the paper sprayed you and I almost got out physically because it was a humiliation. The humiliation in life and even in death, we owe it to you, Mama. You were tribeless. Integrity was your tribe. You embraced us. You and your friends, you gave me the beautiful name that I proudly carry, Musinguzi. You welcomed us, you gave us reason to respect ourselves. Integrity is something you carried as a flag. You never sold me out, Mama, you never. Even when others sold me out, even those who I speak the same language with, but you never sold us out. You never sold your soul out. We shall remember you. It is sad to say goodbye to you, but I can guarantee you that your legacy will never be abused. Never. To all of you comrades that are with us today, may Mama Johnny's memory stick in your minds. You all know, because she sat us down and told us, you know that one time General Museveni called her personally, but she defied that. Not so many people can do that. She was a woman of values, not a woman of money, not a woman of positions. Mama, we will miss you, but we can only say thank you. That thank you will not be only in words, but we shall act like we always wished we should act. We shall be the men and women you always wanted us to be. We shall carry your legacy ahead. Tetugenda kuswaza mama. Tusobola kuswaza. Mukama akumuze emirembe, akusonyiwe byonna byakusobako. We feel like we do not celebrate you enough in life. We feel like we took the little time we had for granted. I wish we could have more time to tell you how special you are, to show you how much we appreciate you. Unfortunately, like all human beings, we only recognize the magnitude and speciality of what we have when we lose it. But we shall honor you forever. God bless your soul. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to me.